Welcome to Lake Erie College. I'm Pam, one of two librarians at the Lincoln Library. The other is Gina, our library director. Although I haven't been here too long, I do have a lot of experience teaching, and my favorite genres of books to read are memoirs and humorous travel books. I also enjoy sports and old movies. As instructional librarian, I get to teach students all about our library, our online resources, and how to do research. I may even be visiting one of your classes at some point during the school year. In this remote course, we'll cover some of that information. You'll become familiar with the library and its facilities. You'll also learn how to search for books and how to do some basic research for class assignments in our library website. And we'll cover how to determine if the sources that you find are reliable and how to cite your sources. Gina and I love to answer students' questions and help them find what they need. We hope to see you soon at the library.